Now, if all you want is to simply storm into trades into the market and come back to find your account doubled or tripled already almost every single time, then sit back and relax, because I'm about to show you how now within the next few minutes. And it's actually so easy and straightforward that even if you started trading just a week ago, you should be able to understand exactly how this works. And as usual, I won't just be explaining, we'll be doing it live here now on live trade. That all we'll be needing now to achieve this will just be a mobile device, only just a mobile device. Then just before we go on, if you're new to Scalper YouTube channel, just remember to hit on subscription button, hit on like button, and also remember to turn notification bell so you don't miss any videos that'll be dropping out from this place. So that not to waste so much time, let's dive in now. Boom. Okay guys, now just like I already told you, all we'll just be using will just be a mobile device, only just a mobile device. And then all we simply need to achieve our mission is very simple. Number one, we need a standard breakout and a retest, a really standard one. That's number one. Number two, we need a build up in structure, right? So we need a build up within our structure of breakout, right? Good. Now the last stuff we need is we need a perfect entry point, and to do that we'll have to drop down to lower time frames, right? Good. And so we'll just be applying these principles on our charts now to cash out from the market at least double or triple account, or maybe more. And so to confirm that you actually understand exactly how it works, we're going to storm into the market for the second time to make sure that we cash out from the market at least double, triple, or maybe more on our account again. That's for the second time. And after that, the third time, you will be the one to do that on your account smoothly, just like that. So guys, not to waste so much time, let's start now. Right, so guys, we're actually having just roughly 143 bucks, right? So that's exactly what you're having at this particular spot. All right, so now these are crash 1000, so let's start from this. Okay, now let's see, these are 4 hours time frame. All right, now the first thing we want to do is to check our maximum resistance level, right? Good. Now let's actually map this particular stuff out. Now what can you see now at this particular spot? Let me arrange this stuff. All right, now what can you see now? This is actually a maximum resistance level occurring at this spot, right? Good. And then let me actually just show you this particular stuff, the movement of this chart currently right now. Okay, now what can you see now? You notice this particular stuff dropped from this level towards this particular spot. After that, it pushed up back to this spot and then dropped down here, and after that it pushed back up, right? Like you can see, right? Good. Now look at the interesting part. Drop down, push back up, and then what happened at the spot? It got sustained, right? And then you can see candlesticks sustaining at the spot. So what do we call this particular spot now? A build up, right? So that's actually a build up that we're having. So what do we expect now? For this particular stop to just push up above this level, right? You can literally see that, right? To just push up above this particular level that is actually at the spot. Good. Now let's try looking for our take profit now, right? A maximum take profit level, right? Good. Now if we're looking, okay, let's remove this, it's fine. Now if we're looking for a maximum take profit level, let's just quickly adjust this. All right, so that would be a maximum take profit. Let's zoom out a bit now. Good. Now what can you see at this particular spot now? From our build up, we're expecting to push up towards this particular level, right? At least that's a maximum take profit. It can push above, but we don't know. We'll just see how it goes. Now let's look for an entry point now, right? Remember, breakout, build up. After that, what are we looking for? Entry point. All right, so what can we see now? All the levels around this spot, at least on a 5 minute time frame, they've all been broken. You can literally see that, right? It's very clear. And so what are we expecting now? We're expecting to just storm into this particular trade, right? So let's just use our one lot size. It's okay, let's just use our one lot size. All right, so we don't have to waste time, right? We don't have to waste time. Okay, let me show you our stop loss level now, right? I actually almost forgot that. Now, so we are looking towards particular level just as our stop loss, right? Just as our stop loss. So so that what are we expecting? Again, we're expecting that this particular stop should just push up from this level. Let me show you that again, right? Should just push up from this level, right? These are build up. Should just push up from our build up level towards this particular range smoothly, just like that, right? Good. So that I think that's all, guys. So on a 5 minute time frame is looking cool. On a 1 minute time frame, everything is actually looking very good. So guys, I think that's it. Okay, I think that's it. So everything is looking very smooth. From all I can see, everything's looking very smooth. So all we just need to do is to wait. And so what's our free margin? Let's just confirm that last now. So that's actually 91 bucks. You can literally see it. So that's 91 bucks, right? So guys, everything here is actually looking really smooth and really good. And boom. Okay guys, now so this is exactly what we're having. So we're running over 50 bucks currently, right? Okay, now let's see now what are we having currently at the spot. So what do we notice now? This particular spot, we notice that this particular spot actually just pushed up, right? You can literally see the chart. on a 5 minutes time frame again. All right, now this stuff actually just pushed up, and then what do we notice? It dropped down towards particular level. And so what do we call this now? An internal resistance, right? It just dropped back down to give a retest, and then got suspended on a resistance at about that level, right? And so what are we expecting now? To push up towards that range, right? Okay, now let me just show you this particular stuff. This was actually a build up again that was created at the spot, and then what do you notice? An internal resistance. And then what can you see now at this particular spot? That is heading towards a maximum take profit level, right? You can literally see that, right? It's actually very clear. And so what do we expect now at around this region, our region of resistance, for it to just push up, right? Because of our build up around this region, right? So if we go back to our 15 minutes time frame, you can already see the rejection occurring at that zone. Okay, let me show you again. Now you can literally see the rejection occurring around that zone, right? Already. So what are we expecting now? For it to just continue pushing up, right? So what can we do? We can storm into some more trades. You can see our free margin. We have a lot of free margin now of 142. So guys, let's just stock in some more trades, guys. Let's not waste free margin. Let's not waste our capital that we just added. Let's just use one lot size. It's okay. Just use one lot size. Let's just take advantage of these positions, guys. Let's just take advantage. All right. Okay, so far so good. Everything's actually looking smooth. Everything's actually looking very smooth. So guys, we'll just be waiting now on this stuff. We'll just be waiting. I think so far so good. Everything is actually looking really smooth, because you can see this particular level. This is the only stuff that might hold it, but this 1 minute time frame, so you can easily just break that stuff and just keep going up, right, smoothly, just like that. So guys, basically that's it. We still have a good free margin for the now, because we are also in profit, right? So we are just trying to utilize our profit now to storm into.
A few moments later.
All right, okay guys, so this is exactly what we're having currently at the spot. You can literally see that movement, guys. This is actually really massive, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. It just pushed from this level through to the top like that, guys. You can literally see it, right? And then you can see a level of build up at this particular spot also, right? Okay, let me show you this stuff. You can see our maximum take profit level has almost been hit. You can see our build up level at the spot, right? That was actually what pushed it up above that range. So guys, I guess we'll be leaving this trade now. We don't have to wait to hit that spot exactly. You can literally see the second bid or second entry point, right? I think we can leave this trade, right? We don't have to hold this trade forever, because we've already achieved our mission. Our mission is to just double or triple this account, and I don't think we still need to keep holding, right? We've actually more than doubled this account, so it's okay, guys. I guess we can actually zoom up this trade. So you can see our balance, right? We have our balance was 143, and now we're having a free margin of about 435, a margin of about 117. So guys, all is actually cool. I really feel like we can actually zoom up this particular trade. I'm trying to wait a little, but no. Let's just leave this trade, guys. All right, so
a few moments later.
Okay guys, now we're still having about 554 bucks, and then what can we see now on a boom 1000 this time around? Okay, now we can see that this exact same stuff, you can see that it's pushing down towards particular level, which we can call a maximum take profit level now, right? Okay, now if I show you this particular stuff now, you can literally see that it's on an uptrend without any doubt. And then if we check out the stuff now, what can you see again? Let me just show you that. Now what can you see around this spot again? You can literally see our resistance. It pushed up from this level, right? Pushed down from that spot, and then what can you see? Build up towards our what now? Towards our maximum take profit level, right? Which you can actually see now, touch at around that region. So that's what we're expecting now, right? So if we go down now, what can you see now? It actually just pushed up from that spot again. You can literally see that it pushed up again, broke out, right? You can see that it broke out and then pushed back up to give us a standard retest, right? And then after that, what do you notice now is about to happen? About to start dropping down smoothly, right? So guys, you can literally see it, right? You can literally see it. So there's actually no atom of doubt in this particular spot, right? Breakout has been done. You can see the build up at that particular range also, and then you can literally see it, and then drop down right after the build up, came back to give a retest. And so what are we expecting? For it to just drop down, right? Breakout is there, build up is there, so that you can see this stuff, right? We're expecting to just drop down towards a take profit level around that particular zone there, which is actually smooth. Okay guys, so that would just be our stop loss level, right? Which you can already see now. That would just be our stop loss level. And so our entry points now on a 5 minutes time frame, I think is good. I think all the confirmations are already done. I'm trying to think about it, but I think we're good. I think we're good to go. Let's just use 2 lot sizes this time around, right? I wanted to use 3, but 2 lot sizes, okay. Let's just use our 2 lot sizes. All right, so okay, Okay, so we know our stop loss level and we know our take profit levels. 1 minute time frame, this is actually cool also. So we know all our levels, right? Our stop loss level, our take profit levels, and now we are just expecting this stuff to just keep dropping smoothly just like that, right? Okay, I might have to leave one of this trade. I'm thinking I might have to zoom out, but it's okay.
A few moments later.
So you can literally see our balance and our equity and the rest. Everything is actually looking good, but our free margin, we actually have more free margin now, right? Because this trade has just been moving really smoothly, right? So you can literally see this particular stuff, guys. It's just been dropping, guys. It's just been dropping. And so what can you see here again? You can literally see our build up again around the spot, right? In the case, this particular stuff is what we call our connecting candlestick, right? Which is actually smooth. So we're expecting to just drop down smoothly like that. We can easily just storm into this particular trade, right? We can easily storm into trade because we actually have enough free margin currently. All right, so I think I might, okay, let's see on 1 minute time frame first. All right, okay, this is actually cool. 5 minutes. Okay, this is actually cool. I might have to leave one trade later on because I think these are a lot of trades for risk management sake.
A few moments later.
Right, okay guys, now this is exactly what we're having. So if you notice, I had to leave one trade, right? So we actually having like 520. I had to zoom off one trade. That was on loss, of course, but it's okay, guys. We're still maximum profit. Okay, so this is exactly what we're having currently. So it actually just dropped down, guys. It actually just dropped down smoothly, even though we lost $30 approximately or so because I closed one trade. We're still massive profit. We're actually running over $1,000 currently, guys. I think we don't have to be greedy. Let's just zoom off, guys. Let's just zoom off. Okay, guys, so we're actually having about 1.5k currently, 1.5k currently, which is actually very smooth, guys. Okay, guys, so that just as per customer actually goes. So we're able to just push our account from roughly $140 to about 1.5k smoothly, just like that. That's roughly about 10 times, right, that we're able to make on our account. Now the reason why I repeated it the second time, because we just did the exact same stuff on a $140 account and we repeated it again on $500 after we flipped it to $500. We just have to repeat it again so that to just make sure that you understand exactly how this particular stuff actually works, right? So that's why we did it just twice, right? And then if you don't understand this particular stuff, it's better for you to watch this video over and over again until you understand exactly how it works. And after that, you can make it the third time, right? So we've done the first year, we've done the second year. You can actually just do it for the third time on your own, right, on your mobile device there. And if you notice, I actually had to close one trade on loss. That's roughly like $30, 30 something dollars or so, right? The reason was because we had a spike. After the spike, I noticed that it wasn't very good for risk management, so I just had to take one out. So that's very important, guys. Just as you storm into the trades, always make sure to use the maximum risk management ratio as possible, so that just as per customer actually goes, guys. So just remember, for every single video that can hit over 1,000 subscribers within 24 hours, that's before we hit 100,000 subscribers, I'll be coming back to that particular video, running through the comment section, and I'll just be selecting 3 random traders that will just be funding $3,000 smoothly, just like that. So that if you're new to this particular YouTube channel, just remember to hit on subscription button, hit on like button, and also remember to turn notification bell so you don't miss any videos that will be dropping out from this place. So that just as per customer actually goes, guys. It's a bye from guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.